Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to do band composition in ArcGIS map. This is our interface. Doing the band composition, we need to go the catalog window, and within this data section, I want to go. I have three set of data section: Landsat 8, Landsat 9, and Landsat 7. So Landsat side 9 is the latest data. So I just drag it. Okay, so you can see here band 1, band 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, total 11 band is there. Sorry, then band 6 and last one band 7. Okay, so now to click on table of content, you can see okay, band 1 I can minimize. Okay, minimize all of this band. So I have band 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So I need to drag it here, band 5 also. Okay, so now I can see all the band, but before going to the band composition, we need to sequence band 1, then band 2, then click it, band 3, then band 4, then band 5, band 6 and band 7. But you can take all the bands, but that means band 1 to band 11. But I'll just show the band 1 to 7 how to do band composition. Okay, I also want to show another thing, that is okay, so no, not this one, this one. So when Landsat 8 and 9 Landsat image has total 11 band. So you know that band 1 is coastal aerosol, band 2 blue, band 3 green, band 4 red, band 5 natural near infrared, band 6 short wave infrared, band 7 short wave infrared 2, band 8 panchromatic, band 9 Sirius, band 10 thermal infrared 1 and band 11 thermal infrared 2. So today I will do the task of band composition from the band 1 to band 7. So all of this band is very much important for during the any kind of LULC classification. Okay, so again go to this here. So before doing band composition, what actually we will do, from the, you can see here this reclassification, this ArcMap search option here I have, but you can also find out from here also. You can see here this is table of content, this is catalog, this is search option. So you can just click here, or you can see Arc toolbox. So these are the symbolic, and this is the you can say the table of content you can see here. So from this search option you should write band composition, and after the writing this band composition, just search it and you will get composite band. Okay, so after that double click here, composite band. So new window will appear. Okay, so input raster, just drop down menu, click here, and here you can select all this. Okay, all this input raster. Okay, band 1. So then click it band 2, then band 3, then band 4, band 5, band 6 and band 7. Okay, so all band coming 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then click on the output raster. So click here the output raster folder location, it is important where actually we want to save it. So I want to go the desktop, and here I have a folder, I think desktop, and that is LULC ArcGIS. Here I want to create one new folder, that is band composite. Okay, COM. So within this here I want to write BAND. Okay, then save. Okay, then click on OK. So it will take a few minute or second according to your machine configuration. Wait for that. So band composition completed. So you can see here band RGB, red, green, blue, band 1, band 2, band 3. Okay, so if I uncheck this, you can see each and every band, band 1 to 7, all band are actually showing in black and white. Okay, if I zoom it, then you can see only two things, one is blackish, other is the whitish. Okay, because these are the black and white map. Okay, so now click on zoom to layer, but if I click it band, okay, if I uncheck all of this what actually I can see. So if I click here, okay, you can see band 1, band 2, band 3, band 5, band 6 and band 7. So now again I want to go here, and now you can see here Landsat 8 9. If I going to in natural color, band 4, 3 and 2. So what should I do? So this is band 4, band 3 and band 2. If I go with this composition band 4, 3, 2, if I zoom it, you can see this is the natural color composition. Okay, so what I can see here, so these all are the vegetation. Okay, these all are vegetation in green color. Then these all are the built up area, and this is a river. Okay, so it actually showing the natural color composition of our earth surface. Okay, then if again I want to go here, this is the color infrared. Okay, false color composition. If I want to go false color composition, what should the band composition? That is 5, 4, 3. Okay, so again so again go to here, so click here, select 5, click here 4 and 3. Okay, so now this is the false color composition. All the red color actually are the vegetation cover. Then you can see the blue color also showing very clearly, these are the river. Okay, so these are the river bodies. Okay, then the very red, the deep red color actually showing the vegetation cover. If I zoom it, you can see very clear and precisely. Okay, these are the mountain areas, so these are the rivers, and the yellowish color actually here represent as a the agriculture or other landform. Okay, so this, if I click here and click on zoom to layer, so you can see this entire area actually showing the false color composition. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video, more update.